Hello students, I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we shall begin with our first lesson in geography. Time plays a very important role in every individual's life. We keep doing some similar activities throughout our day. So let us study and understand about time in our chapter 1, local time and standard time. In today's session, we will learn about measurement of time and various events occurring in a day, the different location of the sun during the day and changes occurring in the shadow. Before we begin, let's understand the meaning of some important words and phrases. Latitude. The horizontal line that runs from east to west direction are called latitudes or parallels. Longitude. The vertical line that runs in the north-south direction are called longitudes or meridians. So students, as you can see in the picture, latitudes are the horizontal line that runs from west to east and longitude are the vertical line that runs from north to south. Point 3. Apparent motion of the sun. The earth takes about 365.25 days to travel once around the sun. Since the earth moves around the sun, and we are resident on the earth, it means that the sun appears to shift in the sky about 1 degree per day. Let's recall. Why does the duration of day and night keep changing? The earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Therefore, the duration of day and night keeps changing. Second, how many longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each? 360 longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each. The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of what? The apparent movement of the sun east to west is a result of the rotation of the earth from west to east. What is the direction of the rotation of the earth? The direction of the rotation of the earth is from west to east. While the earth rotates, how many longitudes faces the sun daily? While the earth rotates, 360 longitude faces the sun daily. At which longitudes does the date change? The date changes at 180 degree longitude. How was time measured in olden days? Instruments like Ghatika Patra, sand clock, shadow clock were used to measure time in olden days. In present time, what are the instruments used for measurement of time? In present times, the instruments like watches, calendar, etc. are used for time measurement. Geographical explanation. We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath. Then we have breakfast and go to school. We study in our classrooms. We return home, we go to playground to play in the evening. We have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. We keep doing similar activities throughout the day. Considering our daily routine, we need to decide the time for all our activities. In olden days, people used to take the help of various tools and also depend on various natural events for the measurement of time. On the basis of observation and experience, they divided the day into the following parts. From sunrise to sunset, daytime, and from sunset to next sunrise, night time. A whole day meant the duration from one sunrise to the next. Earlier, natural events and instruments like Ghatika Patra, a bowl with a minute hole at the base which would float in a large water-filled vessel, sand timer, etc. were used to tell time. The earth takes 24 hours, that is 1 day, to complete one rotation. We consider the direction where the sun rises to be the east. Thus, the sun rotates from west to east. As a result, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset and midnight. During rotation, the longitude in the western part faces the sun gradually, while those in the east experience darkness. The longitude which faces the sun experiences sunrise, while on the other hand, the one in the darkness experiences sunset. While traveling in a bus, we often see trees, electric poles, buildings, etc. outside the window. They appear to be moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are stationary and our bus is moving forward. Similarly, because of the rotation of the earth, we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. Try this. Perform this activity in the cocoa ground or on a bright sunny day. Consider the following point. Choose one pole on the ground that stays under the sun for the whole day for this activity. Observe the direction in which the shadow of the pole falls at the different times of the day. Measure the shadow and record in your notebooks. Note the relative directions of the shadow and the sun in your notebook. Where is the sun located in the sky when the shadow is in the shortest? At what times are the shadow longest during the day? Geographical explanation. You would have realized by observation that the shadow in the early morning and evening were the shortest, while those at the noon were longest. Because of the changes in the apparent location of the sun in the sky, the length and direction of the shadow of the pole keep changing. This is because a specific part of the earth faces the sun during the rotation and moves forward. Incidentally, we also experience that it is cooler in the morning and evening and warmer in the afternoon. I hope you are clear with today's session. So, let us remember some important points. The earth takes 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. The earth rotates from west to east. Due to the rotation of the earth, we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. The shadow in the early morning and evening are longest. The shadow at the noon is the shortest. Students, please refer to the textbook and read the same.